Welcome to RSSDI TV 2020, brought to you by Wockhardt. I am Dr. Ruchi Shah, and on behalf of Wockhardt RSSDI TV 2020, I welcome you all. I am glad to have with us today renowned and eminent personality, Senior Consultant Endocrinologist from Mumbai, Dr. Shashank Joshi, sir. Sir is a Senior Consultant Endocrinologist and Physician at Leelavati and Bhatia Hospitals and Joshi Clinic, and the Dean at Indian College of Physicians. He is also the Chairman of IDF Southeast Asia. He is the recipient of the prestigious honor that is the Padma Shri awardee. So we all know that type 2 diabetes is a chronic disease which has typically thought of as incurable disease, but the latest developments having combined the long reverse diabetes. So sir, based on your recent interesting talk in RSSDI 2020 on reversal of diabetes using the whole body twin technology, we would first like to know from you, what are your thoughts on the reversal and remission of diabetes?
So at the onset, I would like to thank you, Dr. Ruchi Shah and Wockhardt for running this RSSDI TV. And I want to congratulate you. Now, you asked me a very pertinent question, and you rightfully said that diabetes was formerly known as a chronic irreversible disease. And now we know that diabetes reversal is possible, particularly if the duration of diabetes is less than 10 years and some individual is younger, the likelihood of reversal is more. So there have been a lot of seminal work, particularly done from United Kingdom by Dr. Taylor's group and different geographies across the world. They have shown that if you do a drastic caloric reduction and if you reduce calories, you can reverse, because what happens is when you eat too much, there is excess glucose, excess fat, and that excess glucose, excess fat activates a twin cycle of fatty liver and fatty pancreas. And when we create a caloric deficit and a carbohydrate deficit, we are able to actually reverse this fatty liver and fatty pancreas and thereby reverse diabetes. So extreme caloric restriction, either done medically through a VLCD type of a diet, which Dr. Taylor described through the direct trial with primary care, or through surgical techniques which have been described by bariatric surgeons. And even now, with the newer artificial intelligence technologies, we are able to reverse diabetes. So diabetes reversal is something which is doable. But there's a difference between remission and the reversal. Reversal is a long-term term. And usually I look at it that if somebody has reversed type 2 diabetes, it means that his A1C is below 6.5 and lifestyle has maintained it. And there is no need for any medication for at least 10 years. Well, remission is a little more finite concept where you are able to remit diabetes for at least a finite period of 1 or 2 years. For example, in direct trial, they were able to achieve diabetic remission in 50% of the subjects over 1 year and 2 years, which is a very, very tangible entity. So at least now we have a hope that diabetes is reversible. Diabetes is something which we can attempt through simple lifestyle, aggressive lifestyle, reversing it.
Thank you so much, sir. So, sir, can you throw some light on this whole body twin technology to the viewers who are currently watching the Wockhardt RSSDI TV 2020?
So this is a California-based technology. What we are trying to do is all human beings have different domains. For example, they have a glucose domain, they have a blood pressure domain. We are what we eat as food. We have a physical activity domain. We have a sleep domain, and we have all these different indices. So what this technology and artificial intelligence does is they create a digital twin of a human being. So suppose it's me, Dr. Joshi, or you, Dr. Shah. We can create actually by using CGM, by using 24-hour blood pressure monitoring, by using precision nutritional technology, as you know, plotting the macronutrients, gut microbiota, all this using some sophisticated computerized algorithms, we are able to create a digital twin. And once we create that digital twin, we are able to map and understand what is the response of a food, of an activity, of sleep, of happiness, of mental health on the well-being of the human being. So it's a very individualized, precise medicine. So where we are able to not only make a change in lifestyle, but we are able to also adhere to the lifestyle. So there is a Fitbit attached to the person, 24-hour CGM, 24-hour blood pressure. And obviously the machine and the computer learns the habits of an individual over a month, month and a half, 2 months in this program. And then once it learns, it gives suggestions through an app. And when they get the suggestion through an app, they are able to understand that I am eating this for breakfast, but I need to reduce this food because the sugar spikes too much. Or I need to do a little more activity. I need to sleep a little more. I need to be less anxious during this particular time of the day, because we are able to map glucose, map blood pressure, map your lipids, and it also does a blood draw. Almost 100 variables in the blood draw are taken. So each and every small bit which the human metabolism is looking at, this metabolic mapping, molecular metabolic mapping is done using modern technology and modern techniques. And these are not some skyrocket techniques. You know, all they are doing is a blood draw. All they are doing is a 24-hour blood pressure, 24-hour glucose, and so on and so forth. So with all this, one is able to map this better. And once we are able to map this paper better, we are able to give tips and then walk with the patient like a coach. And this system is not just computer. With the computer, we have a diabetic coach who is looking after the patient, advising the patient on day to day, which is like an educator or a nutritionist. And we have a doctor supervising all this. So obviously this is like a whole journey. And in this whole journey, we are able to ensure that we are able to get some reversal. And this has now been published. And our RSSDI president, Dr. Sabu, also has published some work. I am now in the process of publishing some work. There are groups in Bangalore like Dr. Parmesh Shamanna, who is publishing some work. And now we are commencing randomized controlled trials to, validate this concept, because this is a integration of precision medicine, precision nutrition, artificial intelligence, and doing things simple. So, this is how the whole matrix is based, using technology for ensuring that our patients can adhere in a more precise way. And the big advantage of this is it's very individualized. So if I like a particular food and it causes a glucose spike, then it will tell me to correct that. For example, if I eat 2 idlis and you eat 2 idlis, our glucose response will be different. And our glucose response on different days may be different. So whether we should eat that idli, whether we should reduce the amount of idli, whether we need to, the way we eat that idli, do we need to change it? When we have idli, it is fermented. So fermentation means all the bacteria eat up all the, and whatever is remaining is only glucose. So then directly we are transmitting glucose. So this small little fingerprinting of simple things which make actually a lot of impact in our day-to-day lives, that change, we are using technology to enable a change and empower our patient.
Right, sir. So, sir, lastly, what is a key message which you would like to share with the practicing physician and diabetologist for regarding the unique concept of this reversal of diabetes using the whole body twin technology?
So diabetes reversal today is doable, but adhering to a very low calorie diet is very tough. So we need something which will handhold us. So now we are using a technology to handhold us. We are using technology in terms of a 24/7 CGM, 24/7 blood pressure monitor, a Fitbit, a ketone monitor, then doing some blood draws and using a computerized app which is linked to our phone and which is connected to a coach and a doctor. And then we are able to have a holistic, individualized approach to make reversal happen. So reversal is something which is very doable. We need to be very individualized about it. And particularly in people who have shorter duration of diabetes and who have younger, in age, they have a better response rate. And we are seeing that happen. So remember, diabetes is not a chronic incurable disease. It is a very much controllable disease, but it needs lifestyle adherence long-term and lifelong. And in that, we are trying to use technology. And that's where the twin technology comes in play.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your views on this very interesting topic of reversal of diabetes using the whole body twin technology. Stay tuned to RSSDI TV 2020 brought to you by Wockhardt for such more recent and relevant updates from the RSSDI 2020. Thank you very much.